Imagine that you were around a few thousand or a few million years ago. Your choice. You have been assigned to serve on a committee to plan the perfect human being. So you and your fellow committee members designed a human body with a brain, a heart, kidneys, a stomach, lungs, all of the organs that our bodies have today. You believe you have designed the perfect human being, and you send him out into the world. Within an hour, however, the human is returned to the committee, no longer alive. You're told that he could not remember to make his heart beat while making his stomach digest food, while reminding his lungs to breathe, while making his liver do whatever livers do, and he didn't survive. Your committee then designs a network of nerves leading from the human's brain to the organs. These nerves deliver messages telling the human's organs what to do autonomically. So you call it the autonomic nervous system. You send the human back out into the world, confident he will do well. The next day, your committee is told that the new human was just fine until a saber-toothed tiger appeared. The human smiled and said hi to the tiger, and the tiger ate him. So your committee designed a new human, dividing the nerves of his autonomic nervous system into two bunches. You designed one bunch of these nerves to make the human freeze, fight, or flee from threats of danger, and you called this bunch of nerves the sympathetic nervous system. The next day, the human saw a saber-toothed tiger, and his sympathetic nervous system prepared him to flee. His heart started racing, his stomach stopped digesting food, and blood flowed to his legs so he could run. The human successfully escaped the tiger. But after his escape, his organs never returned to normal, and he died from the stress. This time, your committee designed the second bunch of nerves to calm him back down after a threat disappeared. You called these nerves the parasympathetic nervous system. Finally, your new design was successful, and humans still survive to this very day. But we still need a little tweaking, and this tweaking is what this workshop is all about.